Hello, travel enthusiasts. This is Gordy, your guide to the world's most amazing destinations. Today, we're setting sail for the tropical paradise that is Phuket. Nestled in the heart of Thailand, Phuket beckons with its stunning beaches shimmering under the sun's golden rays. But there's more to it. The nightlife buzzes with an energy that's contagious, and the rich, vibrant culture is a tapestry that tells tales of a fascinating past. For the small sum of 50 or 60 US dollars per night, you can get a 4-star hotel. Hostels are plentiful, and even half of that cost per night. Talk about an island paradise. No wonder it is a popular destination for extended breaks, gap years, weddings, digital workers, or even backpackers. So, pack your bags. We're about to explore the best things to do in Phuket. Our first stop in Phuket is a heartwarming encounter with the gentle giants of Thailand. Picture this. You're in a lush, tropical sanctuary surrounded by the majestic creatures that are Thailand's elephants. Ethical elephant encounters are not just about observing these awe-inspiring animals, but actively participating in their care. Here, respect and compassion are paramount. You won't see any rides or shows. Instead, you'll be a part of a profound experience that prioritizes the well-being of these noble beasts. From preparing their meals to bathing them in the river, you get to interact with elephants in a way that is both respectful and nurturing. You'll learn about their stories, their personalities, and the challenges they face in the wild. You'll see their intelligence and sensitivity firsthand, and in return they'll offer you a connection that transcends species. As you walk with them through the verdant jungle, you'll feel a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect. It's an intimate connection that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. An unforgettable experience that leaves you with a greater appreciation for these magnificent beings. Next, we step back in time as we wander the streets of Phuket town. This charming town, steeped in history, offers a captivating blend of past and present. The town is an architectural gem with buildings reflecting Sino-Portuguese influence, a testament to its rich heritage. Ambling through the narrow lanes, you'll be mesmerized by the vibrant hues of the beautifully restored shophouses, a sight that's a photographer's delight. The town's history is not just confined to its architecture, it's also reflected in the local cuisine. The food here is a delectable mix of Chinese, Malay, and Thai flavors, a delicious reminder of the town's multicultural roots. But it's not just history and food that Phuket town offers. The town is also home to bustling markets. The weekend market, a lively affair, is a treasure trove of local handicrafts, vintage items, and street food, offering a tantalizing taste of local life. A stroll through Phuket town is like flipping through the pages of a colorful history book. Now it's time to set sail and embark on an unparalleled island-hopping adventure. Imagine starting your day with the salty sea breeze teasing your hair and the endless horizon of sparkling blue waters beckoning you. As your boat cuts through the waves, you'll be treated to a visual symphony of stunning landscapes, each more breathtaking than the last. The charm of the old fishing boats with their rustic allure adds a touch of authenticity to your adventure. They serve as a reminder of Phuket's rich maritime history, a testament to the island's enduring relationship with the sea. As you hop from one island to another, you'll be stepping into a world of untouched beauty, secluded beaches, and lush tropical forests. Each island is a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna, offering a new discovery at every turn. For around $30, you can experience this slice of paradise. This small investment gifts you a day filled with unforgettable memories, scenic beauty, and the warm Thai hospitality. Phuket's islands are more than just a visual treat. They are sanctuaries of tranquility, places where you can unwind and connect with nature. Whether you're snorkeling in the clear waters, sunbathing on a sandy beach, or exploring the vibrant marine life, each moment is a celebration of life's simple pleasures. An island-hopping tour in Phuket is a journey into paradise. After a day of exploration, it's time to indulge in Phuket's culinary delights. This island paradise is a gastronomic wonderland, offering a range of food options to satisfy every palate. From street food stalls that will only cost $2 to fill you brimming with local flavors to high-end dining establishments, the culinary scene here is as diverse as its landscapes. The food really has to be seen to be believed. One of the must-visit dining experiences in Phuket is its floating seafood restaurants. Imagine feasting on the freshest catch of the day, right in the middle of the sparkling sea under the open sky. The seafood here is not only mouth-wateringly delicious, but also a testament to the rich marine life that surrounds the island. But it's not just about the food. Dining in Phuket is also about the ambiance. There's a romantic restaurant tucked away on a hilltop, offering breathtaking views of the island. As you savor the exquisite dishes, you can soak in the panoramic views of the azure sea framed by lush greenery. It's an experience that engages all your senses, making each meal a memorable one. From fiery curries to succulent seafood, the food in Phuket is a reflection of its vibrant culture and rich history. The tropical fruits are also a must-try. Imagine biting into a juicy mango or a sweet pineapple, their flavors intensified by the island's abundant sunshine. The freshest dragon fruit I have ever had is the thing I miss the most from my time there. So, whether you're a foodie or not, make sure to explore the culinary offerings of this island, because dining in Phuket is a feast for both the stomach and the eyes. As our journey through Phuket comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed the trip as much as we have. We've encountered majestic elephants, reveled in the charm of Phuket town, embarked on an island-hopping adventure, and indulged in the culinary delights of the region. All these wonders, from the breathtaking landscapes to the rich, vibrant culture, make Phuket a truly unique destination. But remember, this was just a glimpse of what Phuket has to offer. There's so much more to explore, from the tranquil Bang Tao beach to the exhilarating rum distillery, the serene waterfall in Khao Phraya National Park, the bustling weekend market in Phuket town, and the exhilarating monkey spotting on To Se Hill. And let's not forget the enchantment of the floating seafood restaurants and the captivating southernmost point of Phuket. We'd love to hear what you thought of our video. Did it spark your wanderlust? Have you done any of these trips before? Have you been to Phuket and have your own experiences to share? We encourage you to leave a comment below. Is there any other videos you would like me to do? I have been to Phuket 3 times now, so I will have other videos coming up in the future. Your insights and experiences can help others discover the magic of Phuket. And if you're planning a trip, remember, a scenic boat tour only costs around $30. It's a small price to pay for an adventure of a lifetime. Thank you for choosing to watch us. Till our next adventure, this is Gordy signing off.